Welcome to Sound Shape Synth. The main menu shows the title Sound Shape Synth with the phrase Draw, Bounce, Compose. The user sees four options: Free Play, Challenge Mode, Gallery, and How to Play. Challenge Mode also shows the total stars earned after challenges have been completed. The How to Play modal explains the experience. The user draws shapes with the mouse. A bouncing ball plays notes when it hits those shapes. Circles create bass sounds, triangles create high tones, and squares create mid-tones. Shape size controls volume. Warm colors create a softer attack, while cool colors add reverb. The same panel lists shortcuts. The user can press 1 through 4 to choose drawing tools, V for select, X for delete, B to add a ball, use the mouse wheel to resize a selected shape, and press Ctrl and S to save a composition. In free play, the toolbar appears on the left. It includes tools for circle, triangle, rectangle, wall line, select and move, and delete. A color picker changes the color of new shapes, and the master volume slider controls overall sound level. Below the tools, the user can add a ball, reset the ball, save, share, or return to the menu. The top bar shows the current mode, optional challenge progress, and a status readout. The status tells the user how many shapes are on the canvas, how many balls are active, and whether a shape is selected. The canvas becomes the main composition space. The user draws a circle by dragging outward from a point. They draw a rectangle by dragging from one corner to another. They draw a line to create a wall-like bound surface. To draw a triangle, the user clicks 3 points. Each completed musical shape previews its sound immediately. The white ball bounces around the canvas, leaves a trail, and triggers sound whenever it collides with a shape. Hits create sparkle effects and shape highlights. If the ball hits the edge of the screen, a short click sound plays. The user can add up to 3 balls to make the composition more active. Select mode lets the user click a shape and move it around the canvas. With a selected shape, the mouse wheel resizes it, which also changes its volume. Delete mode removes shapes by clicking them. Hovering over a shape shows a small tip describing the tone type, volume, and attack. Challenge mode opens a level selection modal. The bass line challenge asks the user to hit 5 circles in sequence with no more than 3 seconds between hits. The chord challenge asks the user to make exactly 3 shape hits land within 200 milliseconds. The rhythm challenge asks the user to land hits on 8 consecutive 60 BPM beats. During a challenge, the top bar shows progress such as streak count, chord meter, or beat streak. In the rhythm challenge, a visual beat pulse and metronome click help the user time each hit. Completing a challenge opens a result modal with a star rating based on completion time, plus replay and menu buttons. The gallery shows saved compositions. Each saved item appears with a thumbnail, name, load button, and delete button. Loading a saved composition returns to the canvas with those shapes restored. The Save button prompts for a composition name, and the Share button creates a shareable URL for the current shape layout. Sound Shape Synth is a creative music playground where geometry becomes an instrument. It gives the user a direct way to draw shapes, hear collisions, build rhythmic patterns, save compositions, and turn motion into sound.